Welcome back to Car Magica. The highly anticipated 2025 Ferrari F80 is finally on the horizon, bringing with it a dramatic evolution in Ferrari's vision of the future supercar. Recently seen undergoing testing near Maranello, the F80 introduces a radical design language that blends extreme aerodynamics, cutting-edge performance, and Ferrari's unmistakable DNA into a next-generation hypercar, with sharp, sculpted lines and a lower, more aggressive stance. The F80 looks like something straight out of a science fiction film, ready to dominate both the streets and the track. The front fascia is futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari, with slim LED headlights, deep air intakes, and a low-slung nose that enhances both downforce and road presence. A sweeping light bar spans the front end, giving the F80 a modern and cohesive design. The bodywork is made from lightweight carbon fiber, featuring active aerodynamic elements that adjust in real time for optimal performance. From the rear, the F80 boasts quad exhaust tips, an integrated rear diffuser, and slim horizontal taillights that wrap subtly around the body. The side profile showcases dramatic air channels, sculpted side skirts, and massive wheels tucked beneath flared arches. The cockpit is set low into the chassis for a true race car feel, while butterfly-style doors hint at the exotic performance capabilities lying beneath the surface. Inside, expect a minimalist, driver-focused interior that blends luxury materials with high-tech features. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari F80 takes a major leap forward in performance and sustainability. Rather than a traditional V12, Ferrari is expected to use a hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V8 with electric motors, producing a jaw-dropping combined output of nearly 1,200 horsepower. This setup allows for blistering acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times projected under 2.5 seconds, and a top speed approaching 250 miles per hour. The hybrid system not only delivers mind-bending power, but also allows short electric-only driving in city conditions, improving emissions and efficiency. This next-gen supercar is built on Ferrari's latest lightweight platform and benefits from advanced torque vectoring and all-wheel drive, giving it track-level handling with surprising everyday usability. With the LaFerrari legacy behind it, the F80 is positioned as Ferrari's ultimate showcase of engineering, speed, and future mobility. The 2025 Ferrari F80 is expected to debut officially in early 2025, with production beginning later that year. Pricing is likely to start above the $2 million mark, placing it firmly in the hypercar elite. For collectors and speed enthusiasts alike, the F80 represents not just the future of Ferrari, but a new era of performance, design, and innovation.